Hey, are you looking for the best smartwatch from AliExpress? I have fixed the top 5 best AliExpress smartwatches of their high percentage selling rate, demand, and customer rating. All the links of the watches are in the description below the video. Subscribe on my channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. So let's enjoy this video. In at number 5, the smartwatches, MT3 smartwatch. Recently, this smartwatch price is $40.17. You will get multiple necessary modes that will give you quality services. You will get multiple sport modes to swap as you like. You can track your fitness progress throughout the day by monitoring the number of steps, calories burned, duration of moderate to high intensity exercise. Tracking physical condition is a must if someone tries to stay healthy, and you can do it with this device. You can measure heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen directly on the watch and view more comprehensive data through the mobile app. You will get a field of vision more natural. When someone touches it, it works smoothly and displays vivid details. You can both listen to music independently and with Bluetooth devices too, because it can play music and can connect with Bluetooth speakers. You can store more than 1500 MP3 songs because it is provided with 8 GB of memory space. You can easily catch up with your mobile devices while wearing them on your wrist. It is connected with a mobile phone. It will sync reminders in real time, pushing you messages like SMS, WeChat, Twitter, etc. You can also make or receive calls while doing sports or doing other important things and stay in constant contact with family or friends. It is provided with a MT3 Bluetooth connection function. You will get a 1.28 TFT display and 240 by 240 round touchscreen, with a belt of 22 mm in width. You will also get a battery capacity of 260 mAh, about 14 days of standby time, 4 hours of music playback, and 5 hours of Bluetooth call. In at number 4, the watches, Smartwatch phone. Already this watch price is $51.29. You can track your heart rate and menstrual cycle with this because it has a heart rate tracker and female menstrual cycle tracking. It will be easy to check your time and lighting up the screen because you can light up the screen by turning your wrist up. You can easily catch up with your mobile device because it is provided with phone reminders, message reminders, sedentary reminders. You will also get alarm through it. You can easily take pictures by shaking your watch. You can play music by connecting this to a headphone, can play downloaded music, copy and store music too. You can also check your exercise performance and work on it. It is provided with multiple exercise modes. Our sleeping habits can differentiate our good health and bad health. So sleeping is an important and regular habit of us, and we can track this habit and work on it. It is also provided with a pedometer. You can take steps for a healthy life by monitoring your calories with this device. You can also monitor your running on the running track. You will get a 1.28-inch full touchscreen. The resolution of the screen is 240 by 240 and it is an IPS screen. You will get a screen technology that is fully encapsulated. You are also getting lithium polymer 230 mAh battery. You will get a working time of about 3 to 5 days. It supports Android 5.1 and higher. It also supports the iOS system above 8.0 and Apple 5S. The Bluetooth distance from connecting the headphone is 5 to 7 meters and the Bluetooth distance between mobile phone 10 to 15 meters. Its waterproof level is IP68. In at number 3, the best smartwatch is ZQH 4G men's smartwatch. Now, this smartwatch price is $69.30. You can also monitor your performance in different sports and work on it and upgrade them because it has multi-sport modes. It supports sports data recording. You can also play local music or listen to music online, using a Bluetooth headset or speaker. You don't have to tension about unlocking your phone or don't have to do much to unlock, because it has a face recognition unlock function and it unlocks faster. You can click photos when you need to and can even make video calls with its 2-megapixel front and rear HD camera. You can throw away your phone for some time, if you want to, and enjoy different moments. Because you can insert an independent card to receive and make calls instead of receiving calls via Bluetooth. It has 2 different looks, one is black and another one is silver. You can choose different options for different occasions or different moods. because it is provided with multi-dials and custom dials. You will get a lot of dials to download for this device. It is also provided with 1.54 inches HD large screen display. You will get a long endurance and fast charging device. You will get standby for several days and a unique magnetic charge too. It is provided with a 900 mAh high-capacity polymer battery cell. You can charge it fully in 2 hours. You will also get a built-in power-saving function. It is a lightweight device too because it has zinc alloy bezel. In at second place, the watch is Kospet Brave 4G smartwatch. Recently, this smartwatch price is $149.99. You can now make a separate call, receive or send a message when your phone is far away because it supports 4G nano SIM cards. You can download more apps and enjoy different facilities without your phone. It is provided with 3 GB RAM and 32 GB ROM. You will get a display that is clear and easy to operate because it is provided with 1.69-inch IPS touchscreen with 450 by 450 resolution. You can use it for a longer time and enjoy the device for more longer time because of its battery capacity of about 1360 mAh. You can make video calls at any time with its dual camera of 8 megapixel front camera and 8 megapixel side camera. Not only that, but it also supports Face ID unlock. You are getting the world's first Face ID, which can be unlocked quickly in 0.1 second. It is compatible with Android 5.1 or above and iOS 9.0. You can track your fitness and work on it because it has 9 sports modes. It is provided with a precise positioning system and independent navigation system. It is also provided with a third-generation ceramic and silicone replaceable strap. You can go to places where you will be in touch with water. It is a professional waterproof smartwatch with IP68 standard. You can check your body temperature from it because it is provided with body temperature detection. You can check your heart rate and know your physical condition or condition of stress because it is provided with heart rate detection. In at number 1, the best watch is Kospet Prime 2. Now, this watch price is $194.99. You can see the features more perfectly and you will be able to work with more comfort because of its full-screen touchscreen. You will be able to run digital features and apps with it. It is compatible with the above iOS 9.0 and Android 5.1 mobile phone. You will be able to taste the improvements in terms of new feature experience, user privacy, and security. Because the device supports Android 10, it has been greatly improved and upgraded based on Android 10. You will get a great experience with the Android 10 night mode. The entire system interaction, UI icons, special effects, menu interface for Android Wear. They have maintained the Android 10 night mode and redesigned the entire system interaction and UI icons. They have added various interactive special effects and also added a similar menu interface for Android Wear. The body size of the watch is 75 by 63 and 75 by 17.4 millimeters. You will get the watch with a band that is 26 mm in width. It is 287 mm in length and the adjustment range of the band is about 168 to 245 mm. You will get a good battery backup and will be able to use it for about 1 to 2 days. It is provided with a polymer 1600 mAh battery which gives a standby time of about 3 to 5 days and which increased the battery capacity by 70% compared to other brand products. You will get a product that's endurance is further improved. You can now play 3D games on a large scale and play different videos smoothly on the watch because the Kospet Prime 2 is now equipped with 4 GB RAM and 64 GB ROM. You will also get larger storage to store more music, videos, etc. You can run 3D applications completely because it is featured with the Helio P22. A 12-nanometer manufacturing process and consists of 8 cores based on the Cortex-A53 architecture registered at up to 1.5 GHz image GE 8320 power at 650 MHz. Don't forget to subscribe. And I request you please share this video.